Here I've got MOTOROLA Moto G100, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, and then find and select system, and here you need to click on languages and input. Then click on on-screen keyboard and go to Gboard. So at first let me just take a quick look on the current keyboard. So here it is. And if you wish to change it, just open this language and input one more time, where that was. Okay, so let me do it from the scratch. So languages and input on screen keyboard, Gboard, and then languages. So now just click on add keyboard. As you can see, the list is super long, and you can either scroll it or look for language with write-in. Let me pick Hebrew, tap on done. You can also remove unnecessary languages if you want to. Just tap on pen icon, mark those that you would like to remove, and tap on bin. And as you can see, from now on, this brand new keyboard language is applied. To change it, just perform the same action here. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.